Welcome to LogicVein. In this feature series, we will show you how to discover devices to be imported into your LogicVein instance. The LogicVein discovery process is pretty straightforward, but there are a couple of important steps you need to do ahead of time. The first one would be ensure the device can reach the LogicVein instance. Have firewalls, route tables, ACLs set up. And the easiest way to check is just to go into the device and see if you can ping the instance. You also need to know which SNMP protocols you're going to utilize. Are you going to use SNMP2 or SNMP3? And if you use 3, you're going to need to know the authentication encryption like SHA and AES-128. Again, you're going to need to know credentials. For 2, you're going to need to know the community string. And for SNMP v3, you're going to need to know the username, password, and the privacy password. And of course, for the device themselves, you're going to need to know the username password for the read and enable capability. So let's begin the process of a discovery. In the top right corner, you have an inventory button. If you click on that and go to protocols, you can see the protocol default group is already set up. If you have protocols that are not allowed in your network, all you have to do is uncheck them and they will not be allowed in the network. In this case, SNMP is set up for auto. You can actually just set it for 1, 2, or 3, but in this instance, I'm just going to leave it set for auto. And we'll do an OK. OK. Go back to your inventory button, click on credentials, and now we're going to set up groups for the credentials. So I'm going to add a new network group. Let's just call it SNMP. And I put in an address. So 10.0.0.251. Add it in here. I'm going to change the credential name to SNMP v2. Do an OK. And now I put in my read user password and my enable user password. And in many cases, they are going to be the same. And my community string is public. So I say OK. So everything's set here. And now all I have to do is just go to a device. Let me just ping it and make sure I can actually reach the LogicVein instance, and I am good to go. Yep. So now I'm going to do a discover of a device. So back to the inventory button, and there's a tab called Discover New Devices. So I'm going to click on that, and here I can put in a sitter range. I can do an IP range or single IP or import from CSV, different ways that you can do it. But in this case, I am just going to put in the single IP address, hit my little plus sign, and I'm going to say run. And here I can tell the discovery went. I have host name, network, adapter, and vendor. And I actually have my traits. This is kind of important that I have ICMP, SNMP, and SSH. That's important. And the NCM, Network Config Manager, indicates that the adapter was found and installed on the device. So this device has been discovered and is part of my setup. The next series we'll talk about backup, but for now, let's add a second device with SNMP version 3. So we'll go add it, we'll go to our protocols. Now I could use this existing protocols and just by changing this, but what I'm going to do for display purpose, I'm going to add a new group called SNMP3, do an OK. Now I can put in an address here or sitter or a range or a group, and just add him. I can remove my FTP, and now I need to know my authentication and encryption. So if I go to this particular device, and let's do a ping, make sure I can get to it, and then show SNMP user, I can see here I am a SHA AES 128. So I can just change this to be 3 SHA and AES 128. And now I'm good on this part, so I do an OK. Back to my little inventory button, put in credentials, and I can add another group, or in here, I'll just add a group in here called SNMP3. And then I just start adding, I have to add my IP so that it'll discover it. 10.0 and here. And now I put in my information. Okay, my authentication username, my password, and my privacy is. And now I'm set up. Click OK. And here, I'll go back to my inventory button, discover new device, just put in the single IP I entered, and do a run. Again, my device showed up. I have my host name, network, adapter. I have my ICMP, SNMP, SSH, and my NCM. So I am good to go on this device also. So that is the discovery process. So for more information, if you'd like a demo or more information, please contact us at sales@logicvein.com. If you're running a POC or a customer, please contact us at support@logicvein.com for any support, troubleshooting, or general assistance. Have a great day, and we look forward to working with you in the future.